The cheat code is the single greatest trading system on the market. And in this series, I'm going to show you why and how to use it correctly. See, the problem is not with indicators. The problem is with you. You come to the chart not knowing what to look for, hopping in trades you're not supposed to be in, not doing a top-down analysis, letting the colors on the chart blind you from what really is going on and what are you really looking for. So today, I'm going to try to break down exactly what to look for in these next couple of videos. Okay, whether you're a swing trader, intraday trader, or a scalper, this system is designed for you. Right now, you're looking at the cheat code. The cheat code consists of these bands, right? You have an upper band which is in red, and you have a lower band that's in blue. Okay, whenever these candles or price goes outside of the band, you're going to get a signal. Okay, you're either going to get a cheat code buy signal or you're going to get a cheat code sell signal. Okay, this is what we call extremes in the market. Whenever price goes outside of the band, that is an extreme, and price is going to reverse. We only trade extremes because they offer the best risk to reward ratio. Okay, this right here, the trading system, helps you make better trading decisions. No longer will you have to search for liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, order blocks. Okay, all that stuff is great, but that really confuses you on what is really going on and how you can really make money by simplifying your trading process. And that's what the cheat code does, and that's what the cheat code stands for. Is to make trading as simple as possible, but you have to plan your trades out. You have to. That's the only way you're going to truly be a consistently profitable trader. So, part one in this series, we're going to talk about swing trading. Okay, we're going to talk about the higher time frames and how you use the system for swing trading. Throughout this process, I'm going to give you benefits on why you need a trading system. Okay, benefit number one, structured decision making. What I mean by that, you stop guessing. Okay, entries, exits, and confirmations are all built in. You follow a rule-based system instead of emotional swings. Okay, so this is all based off of rules, right? No longer will you have to second guess what you see on the chart. If the chart is not clear, giving you clear direction, that means you don't trade it. You wait until the market gives you clear direction on what to do, either to buy or to sell. Okay, back to the cheat code. So we talked about the bands, right? We also have other buy and sell signals that we use, which are confluence-based buy and sell signals. We do not take or respect those buy and sell signals, but they are there for additional confluence. So right now, as price is trending up, you're going to see sell signals, right? These are divergence signals, letting you know price is going to pull back, not reverse, but pull back. Okay, we also have my favorite thing here, which is set for the trend, is a 47 moving average. Okay, this 47 moving average is going to give you the trend or the direction on that time frame. It's going to give you the trend and direction on that time frame. So when price is above the 47 moving average, price is bullish. Okay, you see on this side how we have more blues than we have red because price is bullish. Now when we get to this side, we see that we are below the 47 moving average. You see more red than you see blue, right? So that means that price is bearish. You should be looking for or waiting for an opportunity to sell the market because price is still bearish. Okay, at the top of the screen, we have also another directional confluence, which tells you to look for sales. Okay, inside of the settings of the cheat code, this is what we call scout mode. Okay, and it's basically used for the lower time frames, but you can use it for all time frames. So if I turn it off, you see it goes away, and you can turn it on. Okay, Now, for our entries and exits, we use our confirmation signals. Okay, so let me turn those on real quick. These confirmation signals confirm the cheat code sell signal or the cheat code buy signal. So when you get a cheat code buy signal, that is a signal. That signal means to wait. It does not mean to enter into the market. You only enter once you get a confirmation buy. Or in this instance, you only enter when you get a confirmation sell. If you do not get a cheat code buy or sell signal and you get a confirmation buy or sell, then that's when you want to take the trade. Now, if you do not get a cheat code buy signal and you just get a confirmation buy or sell signal, don't take the trade, because these confirmation buy and sell signals, they confirm the cheat code buy or sell signal. They confirm it. So we use those as our entries on the lower time frames. Okay. Also, down here we have the MACD, which we also use for our entries. See, this MACD is a little different. It gives you buy and sell signals, right? MACD is probably one of the greatest indicators ever created if you use it correctly. So today I'm going to show you how we use it. We use it for our entries, and we use it for directional purposes. Let us know the momentum of a trend. Okay. So on the MACD down here, let's say we wanted to take this cheat code sell signal here that we got, right? Well, on the MACD, we're going to wait for the MACD to give us a sell signal. Once the MACD gives us a sell signal, then we can enter into the market, and you can see that price dropped once we got that MACD sell signal. Okay. Over here, we got a cheat code buy signal. We can either take the confirmation buy, or down here, we can wait for the MACD to give us a buy signal. Okay. MACD is going to give you a late buy or sell signal, but it confirms that price is ready to go in that direction. So to get an earlier entry on the MACD, you have to go down to a lower time frame for your entry. Okay, right now we're just on a daily time frame. Okay, but I'm showing you how this works. You get your signal first, has to be a cheat code buy or sell signal. We're not taking the divergence buy or sell signals. We're only taking the cheat code buy or sell signals. Let me say that one more time for the people in the back. We are only taking the cheat code buy and sell signals. Our entries are on the confirmation sell or confirmation buy, or we can use the MACD for our entry for our buy and sell. Okay. So when you plan your trades out, ladies and gentlemen, and you come to the daily time frame, right now we're looking at USD CAD, right? You see over here, price was bullish. Now price is bearish. Our bias should be to sell. Why? We're getting confirmations to sell here. We are below the 47 moving average. Price is pulling back. Okay. Now we are looking for a signal to sell. So we're going to wait until we get a cheat code sell signal like we did up here. Once we get a cheat code sell signal, then we proceed with looking for an entry. Okay. So what we do, we go down to a lower time frame, like the 4-hour time frame, or we can go to the 1-hour time frame. And on that time frame, again, we are looking for a cheat code sell signal, which we don't have, or we're looking for a confirmation sell to enter. Okay. Let's go back to the daily. All right. So when you come to the market and you're looking at these different pairs, right? You're looking for something to trade. You want to make sure that you're trading in the direction of the higher time frame. So when we're looking for swing trades, we're looking for trades that we can enter the market on and then hold that trade until it gets to a certain destination, or we get a cheat code buy or sell signal depending on which direction we're trading in. Okay. So let's take this example right here. We're on GBP USD, right? And let's say we decided to take this cheat code buy signal here. Okay. This popped up. We got a cheat code buy signal. Let's go ahead and mark that off on the chart. So cheat code buy signal came in on that candle on the daily time frame. What we want to do is go to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour. And on the 4 hour, we're going to have a cheat code buy signal. We also have a divergence buy signal that you see here in green, which stands to let us know that price is going to reverse, and that's exactly what price did. Our entry would be on this confirmation buy, or we can wait again for the MACD to give us a buy signal. MACD gave us a buy signal here, and then price shot up from there. Okay. Now, when we are taking our entries on a lower time frame, we don't want to watch the trade from the lower time frame, okay? Because there's a lot of noise, right? We got our entry from the daily, so that means we're going to watch the trade from the daily time frame where we got our signal from. Okay, our signal is the cheat code buy signal. We already enter into the market. Now, all we can sit back and do, we can wait for price to hit a level of resistance, or we can wait till we get another cheat code sell signal. Once we get that cheat code sell signal, then we can exit the market because we know that price is going to pull back. We have to respect the cheat code buy or sell signals. We have to respect the cheat code buy and sell signals. We have to respect the cheat code buy and sell signals. Okay. So now we're looking at GU. Let's look at the current price action right here on GU, right? So we can see that obviously we are above the 47 moving average. Price is bullish. The overall trend is bullish. Right now, price is pulling back. Okay. Now, what happens is we need to wait for confirmation before we try to do anything with this trade, because price is not at an extreme. It's not telling us to sell. It's not telling us to buy. So we need to wait until we get an extreme in the market, which means we need to wait for price to go outside the band to the upside or to the downside. Doesn't matter. Okay. If it goes out the band to the downside and it breaks this 47 moving average, then we know that price is going to continue. It's going to pull back and then continue down. Okay. If the price does not break the 47 moving average, we get a cheat code buy signal, then we know that the trend is going to continue up here on GU. Okay. So all we want to do is wait for a signal on the daily time frame. It could be a cheat code buy signal, a cheat code sell signal, right? Remember, if you're trading against the trend, if you take a sell here, for instance, and you take it against the trend, just remember that price is bullish. So you want to make sure you get out when you get that cheat code buy signal. All right. All right. In the next part, guys, I'm going to show you how to use this scanner here, okay, for your swing trades. That's going to be in the next video. But before we go, just make sure you know the benefits of having a trading system, right? You stop guessing. You know your entries, your exits, your confirmations, and you're following a rule-based system. Okay. Another benefit of having a trading system is that this system is designed to identify momentum back trades using tools like the CC MACD, confirmation alerts, and soon I'm going to show you the new CC ORB, which stands for opening range breakout. Okay, you no longer have to chase setups, and this is going to help you with your entries. All right, check that out for part 2. All right, I'd like to interrupt this video, guys, to let you know about Hero FX. This is a broker, and they have a new account type called the Hero 10X account. It is 10 times better than any prop firm out there. Here's the reason why. Because what they do, you can instantly 10x your trading account. So if you put $100 into this broker, they're going to give you $1,000 of real trading capital. If you put $500 into this trading broker, they're going to give you $5,000 in trading capital. If you put $100,000 into this broker, they're going to give you $1 million in trading capital. Okay, you get this instantly. You can withdraw 24/7. My withdrawal came within minutes. I have a video on my YouTube that'll show you that I was able to make a withdrawal from this broker instantly. Another thing is that you keep 100% of the profits. And the only rule that they have is that they have a static drawdown, which is 10% of the account. Okay. Now, again, there's no rules. You trade your way. There's no limits. There's no limits on news trading, weekend trading, lot sizes. You trade however you want to trade with no restrictions. Okay. This is a no-brainer because when you have more capital, that means you can trade with bigger lot sizes, and that means more and bigger profits. Okay. So again, if you want access to this broker, the link will be in the description below. In addition to that, when you sign up with this broker and deposit at least $100 into Hero FX, you'll be able to join the Consistent Trader Club and you'll have access to the new CCORB indicator. All right. So make sure you join today. I'll see you guys inside the group. All right, guys, let's check out what the members have to say regarding Vinnie's trading cheat code system. Okay. This is the most recent results. KP says, I officially doubled my account. All trades were ORB trades. I lost the gold trade because of the news yesterday. I didn't realize there was news, right? So just one example of what the members are saying about the cheat code. All right, let's go to a different one. Future Millionaire, he says he's on a boat. Let's see his results. Trading gold using the CCORB. Okay. This gold trade he took. Buy signal. Price shot up. Let's go to the next result. Members results using the CCORB. These are all winning trades using the new CCORB. All right, here's a review. So I love Vinnie's trading. I love Vinnie's trading cheat code. I've been trading unsuccessful on and off for 10 years. Now that I have this system, I'm fully confident in my trades. I just passed 150K futures challenge in 2 days. Can't wait to finally start making a living doing this. Vinnie has made this so simple. Truly a godsend. Go to the next one. He said he just got funded with Take Profit Trader. I said I wasn't going to do a prop firm no more, but this one seems legit. Another 150K cheat code to the moon. Another results. He took $4 to $281. Okay, $4 using the cheat code. You see the results right here, guys. All right, another one. It says, Vinnie, your cheat code is the real deal. This is like cheating. It really is, guys. I was $4,000 negative on my 100K prop firm account, trading on my own. But I decided to go back to the cheat code indicator, and the bread and butter strategy took me out of the hole. Now I'm in the green. I have full confidence in the system. Now I feel bold to increase my lot size with confidence. Today I made $1,780, all before the sun came up. As Vinnie always says, once you have patience and you follow the rules, guys, you'll be more profitable with this life-changing system. To get the full big picture, I do top down from the daily or weekly to get the complete or overall market structure, get the signal on the 1 hour, and enter on the 5 minute. Okay, pure genius. Let's go over some more. All right, just showing us the results from using the cheat code system. Again, more results using the cheat code system. I mean, you guys can go to this free Telegram group, type in member results here in the search, and you can go back and look at all the results from over these past couple years, guys. From 2003, right? What did Derek say? He says, I love this strategy. It teaches you patience and how to be consistent with rules. This is my second week using, and I'm up 15K in the month of August across all my accounts. And the cool part is I've taken a tenth of the trades I used to take in this amount of time. Swing is lit. Okay. So that's the power of using Vinnie's trading cheat code. Guys, if you don't have a system, make sure you go get this system ASAP. I'll see you guys in the next video.